Actually, the menu is for today is Kabuli Pilaf and Mutton Karahi. So we right now boiling the beef, or like the beef shank, for our rice cooker. You see that? So it's close to boiling right now. So it's going to be a Kabuli Pilaf here with the beef shank. And come on with me. Mutton. So we're boiling mutton here right now. So we're gonna make a karahi for that. So both dishes are on the burner. So we're just waiting for their boil. And once they get ready, we'll show you how it is.
And we soak the rice as well.
Yeah. So here is these are the basmati golden Sela rice.
So we soak it.
Yeah, we'll soak it here for probably
2 hours.
2 hours? Okay. Then, once our beef shank is ready, we're gonna put this rice in the rice cooker. And once that's gonna be ready, then we'll make it fry. So, we'll meet you at our cooking table. Hey guys, so check it down. So our fry is pretty close to ready, right? So I'm putting masala. We already mix it. So I think it's going to take half an hour more, maximum. And it's going to be like pretty spicy fry. So pretty much close. So I'm gonna put these are the cranberries. Basically, usually people put it raisins, but we love the cranberry. They are very healthy and give you a sweet effect as well. So I'm gonna put here. So it's pretty much done, and we're gonna then put on 12 minutes for steam. So I'm going to put on steam, and then once after 12 minutes it's going to be ready. So our karahi is ready, and I'm going to cut some fresh green chili on it. Going to top it, right? Oh man, it's going to be really spicy. So we'll take it out of our plate and I'll let you know. Let's start to heat the naan. So I'm going to put here, right here. Okay. I'm going to start naan. So this is for our rice. I want to put some little bit of oil, right, so it's not stick with the but it's already, man, it's really hot. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
There you go. Man, watch out. Shoot, man. Look at that. I'm going to take a bigger piece of the beef. I'm going to take some rice. Oh, wow. Look at that. How fluffy rice are. Holy moly. So, I took some cranberries. Actually, it's really hot. And I'll take it more, but after this, let's try the karahi. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. So I'm gonna take some of the rib pieces. I like the chops actually. Those are T-bones. Okay. I'm gonna take some gravy. Okay. And I think that's it for me. I'm gonna put the lid on. So we
Can you
have
put aside the rice
cucumber
cooker?
as well on that side. Okay. Oh. Here.
Where are the spoons?
Look at that. Oh, forget the spoons, guys. Okay. Okay. So we got the spoon. So we are actually basically pretty close to our car because of high wind. So I'm going to put a couple of spoons. Okay. So I'm going to try first fry. Okay. So look at that. I'm not sure. Oh, actually it's pretty tender. Look at that. Wow. Is that it? Oh man. Oh, that's our. Awesome. And this camping, oh man, what a dinner. I'm gonna try some cranberry with the rice. Look at that. There you go. Number one. Look at that, how tender this beef is. Oh man, it's very hot. It's a beef shank. Very good. So we're enjoying dinner here. I hope you enjoy our vlog. This is our second last day to go home, but it's very good, very nice. Everything is good, up to the high mark. So thank you very much for watching us. Please subscribe our channel, share with your family and friends. Me and Dia doing very hard work, so we need your subscription, and please throw the comments. That's very important, and tell us what you want it for the next vlog or what is your feedback. So thank you very much, and we will meet you with another moment. Bye bye.